I haven't been getting any of my work done on video here. I moved my power and I missed the whole thing. It would have been a good video. Anyway, just kind of wiring up my circuits here. Got the old Midnight Solar lightning arrestor. Got my 3 gauge copper coming in. I still need 3 6 gauge for the critical circuit load panel for solar failover. Got a outlet here. I've got my network rack. This is my main internet. What happens is my main internet comes in the barn. Then I have a media converter and it comes across fiber optic cable. I have a media converter out in the barn. Comes in here, and then it shoots back out to the barn for all my Wi-Fi, because that's my main living quarters right now. And then I also have a power over Ethernet PoE injector switch. And then I have, I've got one Ethernet access point here, so I have internet in the house. I also wired up a little circuit here. Where is it at? Here it is. And it comes over here. This is all weather tight, 30 amp circuit. And it's getting me by. Obviously I have lights. I've got the power equipment. Hope to have the plumber in soon for the hybrid water heater. Had an HVAC guy out, and things are moving along. So it's starting to get chilly here. Northern Ohio, we're going to be probably in freezing in another, 45, 60 days. So anyways, trying to beat the clock. I don't know if I'm going to make it. I just want a shower. That's all I want. So we'll see if we can get there. Oh, I did cut a little groove in that LB for my fiber to come out. So I'm probably just going to tack this fiber up and out of the way. Not sure yet, but whatever. It is what it is.